Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little demo for the mobile scan return. We have our little warehouse here with different projects coming back. Let's just scan to see what's happening. I open the scan return in the mobile app and start scanning. As you can see, this LED with serial number here came back from the Janet and James, and we can put it back to our warehouse shelf here on the side. Here's another item I scan. You see, and this is really powerful because here I scan a different project, but it's also returned from that project. And we can put it on our shelf again. There's more items here. And here you see that this was the last item scanned for the Janet and James project. And we can book it return. And again, you see the serial number. So we've also processed this one. You can also scan return bulk items like these power strips. I see there were 3 in here, so I bring them back to my warehouse shelves, put them in, and scan the QR code that's on my shelf. Here I can enter 3 because I packed 3, and I decide that they come back from the Yesterdayland Summer Edition. Book return. Then there is one more item here. And it says that the item has been transferred from the Amsterdam warehouse. This is super powerful because this item came from the Amsterdam warehouse apparently, but accidentally ended up here. It's now here in our Utrecht warehouse. So with one scan, we did a stock location change, which automatically updated our stock location. And lastly, we have this flight case coming back. So let's just scan it to see what's happening. We can start our check and refill process. Which basically means that we empty the combination and start to refilling the content as well. So I press check and refill. I open the combination to see what's inside. And on the mobile app, I see that there should be 4 compact LEDs inside and 4 Schuko cables. So let's scan to see what's inside. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is a 5th one inside because, this happens, of course. I'm gonna put it on the side and scan it later because in this combination there usually should be 4, as you can see on my phone. There's 1 Schuko cable, 2 Schuko cables. So I fill in a quantity of 2. And I see that there are 2 other cables missing. So I go to my warehouse shelf and put 1 back, 2 back, fill in 2, but they come from my warehouse stock. So here I select my warehouse stock because they weren't from the project. They're probably lost. The combination is complete and I press seal. Put my lamps back inside to make it complete. 3 and 4. I close the combination so it can go back to my warehouse shelf. I still have this other lamp that was too much in this flight case. I do want to book it back, but it goes in a separate shelf in my warehouse. Because I had 2 missings, I can now go to the project of Yesterdayland and see what's still left. I mark all the other items as lost, and I can decide to charge the costs to the customer, of course, but in this case, I will not do that. And as you can see, all the items here are returned. Okay, so that's how you do the scan return with booking back multiple projects at the same time, transferring your equipment and refilling your combinations. Let's go back to the regular webinar again.